student, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. You know today what we are going to study? Today we are going to study an interesting topic, that is keeping clean. You know, in before session what we have studied? We have studied in before session our body. Yes, we have studied our body. And in next episode we have studied the sense organs. You know, for our body parts also we required some things. Yes, to keep our body clean, we required some things. Do you know, kids, we must keep our body clean for our good health. Cleanliness prevents diseases and makes you feel fresh. So, our body, we require some things to keep our body clean. I will show you some things. Can you see what is this? This is a soap. Soap is used for what? To take a bath. For bathing, we use a soap. And for doing hand wash also, we use a soap. Soap is also required to keep our body clean. Next thing is comb. Is you having comb? Yes, comb is required for what? To comb our hair. We require comb. Comb is required to comb our hair. Next thing is Colgate. Colgate is required for what? Yes, to brush our teeth. To the brush, what we'll put? We'll put Colgate. And what is this? This is a brush. Colgate is put on the brush and we brush our teeth. Yes? Yes, no? Yes. We brush our teeth with the help of the brush and Colgate. These both the things we require to keep our teeth clean. Now I will show you some images. Okay, can you see this image? Yes. This is what I have shown you. This is a comb. Comb is required for what? Comb is required to keep our hair shiny. With the help of the comb, we can comb our hair. If the comb we will not use, then what will happen? We can't use with the hair. Our hairs will look dirty. So, we require this comb to keep our hairs clean. Okay? Now, we will see the next image. Next, can you see? Yes, next is towel. Next is towel. Towel is required for what? Towel is required to wipe our body. Yes, after taking a bath, we use towel. Yes, we use towel. After taking a bath, we use towel to wipe our body. Now we will see next image. Next is toothpaste. Toothpaste is required to brush our teeth. Yes, to the brush we put the toothpaste. Then only our teeth will become very clean. Yes, we become very clean and we will free of the cavity. अगर हम toothpaste नहीं use करेंगे तो हमें cavities होगी ना? Yes, we will suffer from the cavities. We will get some diseases. So we will use the toothpaste to keep our teeth clean. Next image. Baby powder. You use powder? Yes, we use powder. Powder is used to put on our face. You use the powder? Yes. Then you look very beautiful when you use the powder. We use the powder to our face. Next is cotton buds. Cotton buds is used for what? Cotton buds is used to clean your ears. Yes, you will put the pin in your ears. No. Then what you put? We use cotton buds. Cotton buds is used to clean your ears. You will not put pencil. You will not put any pins in the ears. That is bad habit. You have to use these cotton buds to clean your ears. Okay. Next is toothbrush. Toothbrush is used for to brush your teeth. What it is used? To brush your teeth. And see on the brush what it is, a Colgate. I have shown you the Colgate. To the brush what we put? We put some Colgate and then only we brush our teeth. So toothbrush is used to brush our teeth. Then our teeth will be very clean. We will not get any cavities. So toothbrush is used for to keep our teeth clean, to brush our teeth. Next is soap. Soap is required to take a bath. Yes, to take a bath, you will only water you will put and you will come, you will shower and come like this only out. No, आप नहा के ऐसे ही आते हो क्या बाहर? No, then what you will do? You will use the soap to our body to keep our body clean. You will use nice soap, na? Yes, you use nice soap. So soap is used for bathing and washing your hand. We use the soap. Next is nail cutter. Nail cutter is used for what? Nail cutter is used to trim your nails. हम nails ऐसे ही cut करते हैं क्या? No. Then what we use? We use nail cutter to cut our nails. With the help of the mouth you can cut the nails? No, that is bad habit. So what we will use? We use nail cutter to trim our nails. This is nail cutter. What I told you, nail cutter is used for what? Nail cutter is used to trim our nails. Then soap. Soap is used for what? Soap is used to take a bath. Yes, soap is used for take a bath. For bathing we use soap to keep our body clean. Next, toothbrush. Toothbrush is used for brushing our teeth. On that brush what they put? We have put the Colgate. With the help of the brush we can brush our teeth and keep our teeth clean and free from cavities. Next what we have seen? We have seen cotton buds. Cotton buds is used for what? Cotton bud is used to clean our ears. Yes, we clean our ears with the help of the cotton buds. You can use the pen and pencil in the ears? No, that is bad habit. So you have to use cotton buds to clean your ears. Next is baby powder. After taking a bath, we use powder. Yes, we use powder to our body. Yes, we use powder after taking a bath. Next is toothpaste. Toothpaste is used for what? Toothpaste is used to put on the brush. Then only we can brush our teeth and we will free from the cavities. Next is towel. Towel is required to wipe our body. After taking a bath, we use towel to wipe our body. Next is comb. Comb is used to comb our hair. We use the comb na? Yes, we use comb to comb our hairs. Okay children, now I have shown you the images. Now you have to remove your skill book, awareness skill book you have to remove. We will solve the worksheet. Okay, open your book, sharpen the pencil, take the eraser, sharpener. You have to sit with all your things, pencil, eraser, sharpener, book, and remove page number 7. Remove page number 7. Have you removed? Okay. Now see the worksheet now. Today which lesson we are studying? Keeping clean. Circle the things that you use to keep yourself clean. I have shown you the things as well as I have shown you the images. Which things we require to keep our body clean. Here they have given some things. Which thing we require for our body? We have to circle it. First is what? First is cap. Cap is required to keep our body clean? No. Cap is required to wear on our head. If in summer season we use cap. Okay. Then we have to circle the cap? No. Next is mirror. Mirror is used to our body to keep our body clean? No. Then mirror is used to see our face. You see your face in the mirror? Yes. For that purpose we use the mirror. So we have to circle it? No. Next is towel. Towel is used to keep our body clean? Yes. We require towel. For what purpose we require? Yes, for what purpose we require? We require to wipe our body after taking a bath. So we have to circle the towel. Towel is used to wipe our body after taking a bath. So you have to circle the towel. Next is nail cutter. Nail cutter is used to keep our body clean? Yes. With the help of the nail cutter, we can trim our nails. With the mouse we can cut our nails? No. With the help of the nail cutter, we have to cut our nails, trim our nails. Come on, circle the nail cutter. Have you circled? Okay. Next is cheese. It is required to keep our body clean? No. For eating purpose, we require cheese. Next is comb. Comb is required? Yes, comb is required to comb our hair. So we have to circle the comb. Next is what? Next is soap. Soap is required? Yes, we require soap to take a bath. While taking a bath, we require soap. So we have to circle the soap. Circle the soap. While taking a bath, we require soap. Next is toothbrush. Toothbrush is required. We require toothbrush to brush our teeth. So we have to circle the toothbrush. We require brush to brush our teeth. Have you done? Okay. Next is toothpaste. Toothpaste is required? Yes, we require toothpaste. Toothpaste is required to put on our brush and then only we can brush our teeth. We have to circle the toothpaste. Only with the help of the brush we can brush our teeth? No, we require toothpaste also to brush our teeth. Next is what? Next is ice cream candy. We require ice cream candy to keep our body self clean? No, that is an ice cream candy. We eat the ice cream candy. So we have to circle this. No. Next is shampoo. Shampoo is required? Yes, we require shampoo to wash our hairs. So we have to circle the shampoo. Okay, in this worksheet what we have done? We have circled that things which we required to keep our body clean. That is towel, nail cutter, comb, soap, toothbrush, toothpaste, shampoo. These all are the things which we required to keep our body self clean. Okay. Now you can watch a video. We will watch one video.
Keep our body clean. Nail cutter or nail trimmer. Soap. Toothbrush. Cotton buds. Baby powder. Toothpaste. Towel. And comb. Look at me. I look clean and healthy. I have friends that make my body clean and tidy. My comb makes my hair shiny. My soap makes me smell sweet. My nail cutter makes my nail neat. And my toothbrush makes my teeth pearly. And kids, don't forget to wash your hands.
Okay, now we have watched the video. You like the video? Yes, you like the video. Today what we have learned? We have learned the things to keep our body clean. We have watched the video. You like that video? Okay, so you have to once again solve that worksheet. And we will see you in the next session. Bye.